Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to McFarland House of Cars, we have their 2020 Mercedes E63S AMG Wagon. So this, in America at least, is one of the most desirable, sought-after AMGs because it's a wagon. That is just the coolest thing you could ever have, is a full-on performance wagon. And everybody's watching CTS V-Wagon values shoot up. I think these are gonna do the exact same thing. Take a look at this interior. Oh, what a gorgeous car. 603 horsepower, 627 pound-feet of torque, made through a 9-speed automatic. Heated and cooled seats, which are actually extremely comfortable, I have to say. Even for a plus-size American like myself, fit right in. Give it a little Burmeister sound system. Have it in Sport Plus mode, not race, because I don't want to disable traction control. Obviously, dual sunroof. All the engine data there. Let's go ahead, put it in drive. We are going to be in manual. Actually, so that's the engine data. You have vehicle data. Oh, so that's going to tell you your gas pedal, your tire temperatures. That's pretty cool. But I'm pretty sure dynamic data. Oh, that's pretty cool. So you can see. Oh, actually, we'll leave it on, because I'm pretty sure if I go to here, I can see tire temps. Yeah. All right. Let's do that. I've always said AMG is kind of the most like Dodge. They just make muscle cars. And I've wanted to drive one of these ever since they came out. Especially the sound. There's just something about an AMG engine that just sounds phenomenal. It's funny because AMG used to have just an absurd amount of crackles. This one doesn't. It's kind of reserved. The crackles it does have, it's typically one massively loud one. Like that. Okay then, that's quick. That is very quick. I think you just cruise on the highway like that. Oh, I love the Germans. That's wild. That is absolutely wild. And then, let's see. Go all the way into comfort. Yeah. Completely compliant. Yeah, I love this thing. This is just good. That's what it is. It's just good. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.